Part 2, let's try this again. Hello, hello, hello. Lots of sun outside. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And yeah, I guess part 2. Focusing on ourselves, yeah? Understanding that you are the channel, you are the energy. And everything is energy. Your thoughts, your emotions will attract your experiences. Pay attention, be aware, and once negative emotion approaches, it's not always easy, huh? It's not always easy, especially when we become distracted in all kind of different directions. Baby steps, please. You gotta start somewhere. Start here and now. Start with your breath. Connect yourself, your body, your mind with your breath. Grounding. Nature knows who you are even before you know it. Nature loves you unconditionally. Look how beautiful. Even in winter time, there is a magic all around. Those who believe magic will see it, will experience it. Your body, it's a miracle instrument. It's here to serve you. Please look after yourself. Listen to yourself. Listen to if you are experiencing pain, maybe that's a signal from your body that slow down. Slow down and smell the roses. Yeah? Enjoy the life just by doing, just being. Success, long-term goals are amazing. Just take your time with healing. Heal yourself first and pay attention, or you can slip on your way. Challenges, right? Challenges are here to serve us all. So, beautiful, beautiful day outside. Go out and recharge. If you cannot go out, put some nature sounds. Bring that nature into your home. Yeah, plants, even waterfalls. Recreate that nature in your environment. Watch the videos with sounds. Watch documentaries. Learn something new every day. You are responsible for your own happiness. It all comes from within, and you know what? It's easy. It's easy to say for many. Very challenging many times. You're not alone in this. You're not alone, and many of us went through this before, and still going through it. It's an infinite process. So connect with friends, create new friendships, people that support you and assist you in times of your challenges, not who judging you and giving you harder times. Stay authentic. Nature knows. Yeah, nature knows who we are. Recharge your batteries with nature. Send them all love and healing. Even animals. You can do it through. Let me see if they're coming. They look like they are heading here. Telepathic connection on all levels with all beings, even, they are life within there is energy within everything around us. It's life, soul, spirit, elements. Here is one here. Oh, hello, my private securities are distributed everywhere. What are you having there? You're never alone, never alone. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Enjoy your life. Enjoy it now. Look after yourself, be kind and loving and gentle to yourself. And baby steps, pay attention where you stepping. Is this what you want to experience? You are the creators now. You are magnificent. Stay true to yourself.